In one of my previous videos, I have mentioned that women empowerment will boost sustainable development goals. Now, before I say what are these sustainable development goals and why they are important for a better tomorrow, first let us know about sustainable development. Sustainable development is an embracing concept of the United Nations. The concept of sustainable development was first described in the 1987 Brundtland Commission report as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It means that it is the organizing principle for meeting human development goals while simultaneously sustaining the ability of natural systems to provide natural resources and ecosystem services on which the economy and society depend on. There are 4 dimensions of sustainable development. First is economy, second one is environment, third is society, and the fourth is culture. Sustainable Development Goals, also known as Global Goals, were adopted by the all United Nations member states in 2015 as a universal call to take action against global problems, to protect the planet and to ensure that people enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. SDGs are designed to bring the world to life-changing zeros, including poverty, hunger, elimination of diseases and discrimination against women and girls. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals are integrated, which means that action in one area will affect the outcomes in others. And United Nations Development Programme believes that this development must balance social, economic and environmental sustainability. The first 9 of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals are: number 1, no poverty; number 2, zero hunger; number 3, good health and well-being; number 4, quality education; number 5, gender equality; number 6, clean water and sanitation; number 7, clean and affordable energy; number 8, decent work and economic growth; number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. The remaining 8 of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals are: number 10, reduced inequalities; number 11, sustainable cities and communities; number 12, responsible consumption and production; number 13, climate action; number 14, life below water; number 15, life on land; number 16, peace, justice and strong institutions; number 17, global partnerships for the sustainable development. As the UN Development Agency, the United Nations Development Programme is a well-placed institution which helps to implement such goals in some 170 countries and territories around the world. United Nations Development Programme supports the countries in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals through integrated solutions. They believe that today's complex challenges, from the elimination of disease to preventing conflict, cannot be done neatly in isolation. For UNDP, this means focusing on systems, root causes and connections between challenges, not just thematic sectors, but to build solutions that respond to people's daily realities. The United Nations Development Programme believes that their track record across these goals provides them with valuable experience and proven policy expertise to make sure that we all reach our set out targets as mentioned in the SDGs by 2030. They also insist that achieving the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals, requires partnerships of governments, civil society, private sector and citizens alike to make sure that we leave a better planet for our future generations. The United Nations in September 2000 made its member states to follow a millennial development which had an 8-time bound targets that were supposed to be attained within a time period of 15 years by 2015. Those 8-time bound targets of the 2000 Millennial Development Agenda were: first, to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger; second, to achieve universal primary education; third, to promote gender equality and empower women; fourth, to reduce child mortality; fifth, to improve maternal health; sixth, to combat HIV/AIDS and other diseases; seventh, to ensure environmental sustainability; eighth, to develop a global partnership for development. As you can see, most of the 8 bound time targets are same of the 2015 Sustainable Development Agenda. A final report was handed over to the United Nations stating the positive impact of the Millennial Development 2000 goal-based agenda on 8 factors and maternal mortality rate. Once the 15-year target of Millennial Development was attained, then it moved on to the 17 Sustainable Development Goals agenda of 2015. Manrega or Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is being implemented to provide jobs for the unskilled people and to improve their living standards. The National Food Security Act is being enforced to provide subsidized food grains. The Government of India aims to make India open defecation free under its flagship program Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. One of the best things Indian government has done is setting targets for renewable energy regeneration sources by 2022 to exploit solar energy, wind energy and other renewable sources of energy efficiency. So in order to cut our dependency on fossil fuels, Amrut and Hidayah schemes have also been implemented to improve infrastructure aspects. India has expressed its intent to combat climate change by ratifying the Paris Agreement. In 2019, 5 progress reports on the 17 Sustainable Development Goals on 2015 agenda appeared. 3 came from UNDESA, United Nations Development of Economic and Social Affairs, 1 from the Bertelsmann Foundation and another one from the European Union. My intention behind raising such a wonderful initiative was to provide awareness and so that we can equally contribute and support such schemes and share about them with our family, friends and other members. These 17 Sustainable Development Goals are the issues which not only our country but the whole world is facing them. And if we want to see a better tomorrow and create a sustainable environment for our future generations, we must eradicate these problems. And by not obliterating one of the most famous sayings written in our Vedas, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the concept of world is one big family, we look forward to achieving these goals.